Hello and welcome to the nightmare that is Flutter Junkyard Renegade Robots. Welcome to this nightmare that I am about to have and go flippin' insane. Flutters. Oh my goodness. Flippin' flutters. You do not know how much these things annoy me. Look at that face. Flutters. Can't splat them, and they cover the entire area in Octoling ink. The only place where you're really safe are the areas where they can't go, since flutters are placed on a track. So they'll notice you and then forget about you. But I'm trying to find basically a key. And the key is what opens move, effing move. Oh, thank goodness. Flutters are literally the bane of my existence. I flippin' hate flutters. I'm just gonna say it right now. I hate them. I'm trying to shoot on top of that flutter. Because if you notice, there's actually something on top of that flutter. But now we're looking for basically a way out of here. The Zapfish is in a box in the area below. That's where the Zapfish, or the sunken scroll is. All I want to do is get through this level quickly, because it's going to drive me insane until I beat this. I mean, I've beaten it before, but it was rare. Luckily, oh, by the way, invisible enemies. Watch. Seekers need a target in order to walk up to it. So saw that in the process. Yeah, if you couldn't tell, I do not want to be here. I don't want to be in this level. I don't want to do anything with this level at all. When I say I hate this level, I hate this level. When I was first playing this game, this level annoyed me to all corners of Octo Valley. In other words, it annoyed me like hell. I couldn't take it anymore. I couldn't deal with the flutters anymore. I wanted to give up. And I just couldn't complete the level. It took me a long time before I finally got past the stupid flutters. I can do it easily now, but trust me, it's not easy. Is there anything under there? No, it's just death. Which right now would be better than playing this stupid level. I hate this. Honestly. If I didn't have to play this for the channel, I wouldn't be playing this level at all. I would have skipped this level entirely. But since I'm trying to play the entire thing of the game, and by the way, yes, Seekers can go through flutters, but because of the flutter's nature, this shit. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Oh, that was flippin' scary. Oh. Oh, no, Flutter, you did not see me. The Inkling, or the Octoling, or the... you get the idea. There's an invisible enemy. There's an enemy underneath the ink. And he'll come out right now. Streamline! Oh, thank flippin' goodness. Oh. Yeah. This. I hate this. Wait a minute. There's stuff up here. I never noticed this before. It's a boatload of fish eggs. I never noticed this boatload of fish eggs. No, no, oh, thank God. No, 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 I'm back here, no. No, I'm back here again. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to cut until I get back, sorry. Alright, I'm back. That was annoying. I had to go through an entire section again. But anyway, that was this stupid level. I never like raging like that, but I'm sorry that you had to see that, guys. Woo me.